Sfiso, like the colored lady made all the black people excited. Like,
Yeah.
for stupid or what?
Ezinja zam.
They all come like, I'm the part of this thing.
Imagine
I'm
wena.
like, no, you know.
How old is she now?
You only have one song.
How old is she?
24.
Imagine. Abotira there, Makhati are there.
Tira was there. Kasper was there. Maka.
Even Bonang was there.
Almost moved my car. Where are you going? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yes, come guys, come. I don't want to take up too much time. Come, queens. We're mobbing tonight. Yes, guys, make some noise. Make some noise. I want to take this moment to celebrate all African artists. Our music, our culture is so rich, and I'm so proud of everybody. I thank you guys so much that I get to stand on your shoulders and I get to be inspired by you guys every day. And I'm excited. I have a song with Babala, Mau, Liquid Deep, and I'm just so happy to be South African. I'm happy to be African most of all. And I pray one day to see a unified Africa. It's so
Tyla shouldn't have done what he did by calling all the South African artists, on stage. Sfiso says. So, if you're new to this channel, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, gang. So, Sfiso is hating on Tyla. I don't know if he's hating or he's just saying it first for the views or whatsoever, but he's saying that Tyla disrespected South African artists by calling them all out on stage like kids. It's like she's the parent and they're all her kids. And people were like, no, she was actually giving them more platform because now she's an international artist, So people are gonna wonder who's that. So she was actually giving them more opportunity. She was opening more doors. But Fiso, on the other hand, is literally saying no artist should have stood up and went to stage. They actually lost aura, their dignity by doing so. And to be honest, I don't really agree with that because, Tyla is an international artist, regardless of her age. That doesn't mean a thing. This person is very influential, throughout the world. So, her calling us out to come on stage, live broadcast, so that people can see that there's actually artists in Africa, in South Africa to be specific. Yeah, I think this was a good thing, but Sfiso, I think Sfiso, if you're going to do something, just tell us rather than disrespecting everybody and just saying things that are unnecessary. You know what I'm saying? And you've been drinking a lot lately, like my brother. If you need help, just say it. Just say it. So, what do you think about this, guys? This is crazy, guys. Because I feel like Tyla has been getting pressure from international, people are hating on her already. And when she thought that I'm gonna come home and become comfortable, you know what I'm saying, and feel free. At home they also attack her. That's crazy. Sfiso, Ank. You need to chill. Go chill with your wife, with your kids, and forget about kids business. I know that you're one of the biggest podcasts that talks about music, but nah, gang, you don't have to be disrespectful like this. So I'm out. Catch you on another video, on another episode. One love.